The Mazda CX-5 key fob for 2017-2025 models uses a release tab mechanism for opening. Locate the release tab on the side or bottom of the fob, usually near the key ring. Use a small, flat tool like a screwdriver or key to press the tab inward. While pressing the tab, gently pry the case apart. The fob should split into two halves, the front with buttons and the back cover. Separate carefully as the circuit board is attached to the front half. Use plastic pry tools to avoid scratching or breaking the case. Once the case is open, you'll see the CR2032 battery. Remove the old battery, noting the orientation with positive side up. Insert a new CR2032 battery in the same orientation. Reassemble the fob by carefully snapping the two halves back together. Test the fob by pressing the buttons to ensure they are responsive. It is important to handle the battery safely with gloves and avoid static electricity. Check the gasket while open and apply silicone sealant to extend life and avoid moisture.